So as you know, I've made a fan page yesterday, and then I copied the profile pic of my profile that was meta verified, and then just this night I received that it was suspended because they said that this has been against the violation of a person that has been ginaya daw ba it is not authentic. Pwisit, how can I verify myself by mura kog niadtog korte para i-verify akong sarili na ako man ni. Anyways, so I made a new page now. This is it, Chris Bryant Official, to make it certain that this is me and I will not use the picture of the previous picture. So, let's see by how this goes. Hopefully, na-delete na tama this band of this fucking authenticity.